New Big Sean album just dropped. It's called Detroit 2, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Why Would I Stop. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section, and subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So for this song, I'm going to place a capo on the 9th fret, and the entire song is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is an E minor chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and you're going to pick the low E string, A string, D string, then B string, G string, D string, high E string, G string, D string, B string, G string, D string, low E string, A string, D string. Then we're going to go to an F major chord. So you're going to bar the 1st fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. And you're going to pick the low E string, A string, D string, B string, G string, D string. Then you're going to lift your pointer finger and you're going to pick the high E string, then G string. Then we're going to go back to the E minor chord and pick the low E string, A string, D string, B string, G string, D string, high E string, G string, D string, B string, G string, D string. Then we're going to go to an A diminished chord. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the D string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 1st fret of the B string. And you're going to pick the A string, D string, G string, B string, then G string. Then you're going to place your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and you're going to pick the D string. Then G string again. Then 4th fret D string again. Then you're going to lift your pinky finger and pick the D string again. Then you're going to place your pinky finger back on the 4th fret of the D string and pick it again. Then lift your pinky finger and pluck the D string one more time. Then you're going to place your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the A string and pick the A string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now for the parts where that's not happening on the guitar, they're using the same chords. They're just strumming it once. It sounds like this. And that's it for Why Would I Stop? Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.